Oh my god, guys, this is my cake. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Mimi.B back with another banger, a 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 banger. So today, guys, today is my birthday. I'm 17 years old today, August 11th. But today I'm not really doing anything because I was sick today. I had ended up getting sick today, and I'm still a little sick. But I'm feeling a little better. But girls, if you know what I'm talking about, you know. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm at Baskin Robbins right now. I'm looking at these cakes that I want. Okay guys, this is my cake. It's melting right now. I'm about to put it in the freezer. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a video about opening my presents for my birthday. But it's not gonna be today because most of my presents are not here yet. So I'll get back to you guys in like a couple of days or a few more days. I don't know how many days it's gonna take, but okay. See you guys, love you guys. Hey guys, so I'll be opening my birthday presents. You know, some of them I already opened them, but yeah. Anyways, right now I got this wrap on my head because oh my god, I had my cousin, well, I didn't have her, she wrapped my hair because oh my god, I cannot wrap my hair because every time I wrap my hair it doesn't go right, and I'm so glad she did it. But then I have the other days to wrap my hair, like I have to wrap it, and I know I'm praying to God that the wrapping comes out right. You don't make the silk press like destroy the silk press or whatever. But anyways, let's open the presents. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do, so I already know what this one is. So my first present, I got these, that's my sister by the way, in the background. I got these shoes. These are so cute. I'm gonna wear them tomorrow because tomorrow is the first day of school. Oh my god, am I excited? Yes and no. I'm nervous because I'm a senior this year, and I'm also nervous because prom, you know, and stuff. But these are the shoes that I got. They're very cute. Like, yeah, these are very cute shoes. Okay, so, and then I also got this little thing for my head. So like when I do like my routine, my face routine, morning routine or night routine, it's just so cute though. I love it. Little bow in this, I love it. Okay, and now for this. Let's go. Okay guys, so my cousin got me this shirt. This is so cute. By the way, these are from Ross, I think. All of this is from Ross. And she also got me this shirt. I'm definitely probably gonna wear these the first day of school. And then these pants. These pants are so cute. These pants. You guys probably can't see them, but at the end of it, they're like this. I think I have some similar pants, but they don't have the ribs in it. And also these pants. These are super cute. I love them. Okay, guys, now we're on to this box from Amazon. I'm so excited to open this. Okay, let's get to opening it. I gotta find some scissors. Let's go. Okay guys, now that I got it open, oh my god, oh my god, this is so heavy. It's the backpack that I wanted. And it's pink. Oh. What is this? Look at it. Oh my god, this is so big. This is bigger than what I expected it to be. Right, Dad? Oh my god. Yeah, better work. Okay, guys. Ow! Shoot! That hurt. But yeah, this is so cool. I love it. Hey guys, I know the camera settings probably messed up or whatever because I tried to set it how it was last time, but it had been like some days since the last package came and this one came. But I was supposed to get like four present things, my dad had said, but one of them is not gonna come to September. And I think this is just one thing. Where's the other 3 things? But we're gonna open it up and see because I don't know. It looks suspicious. Let's go. Okay. Oh, it's the nails, you guys. Oh my god, it's nails. So that's just one thing. Where's the rest of the things? That's crazy. I guess, I don't know, but this is crazy. I didn't expect this to be nails. Wait, this is so cool. You know what? Why these look so small for my fingers though? These look hella small. These look hella small. Hella small. Dang. Aren't they supposed to be bigger than this? These look hella small. But anyways, yeah. Since I got these now, I'm gonna go put these on tomorrow. Wait, what's today? Saturday? Tomorrow, and I'm gonna be going to school with my nails done. Like, yeah. Well, I'm not good at putting nails on, but oh my god, these nails look kind of small. I don't know because it's in the packet, or is it just me? These nails look hella small. Like, I don't even think these gonna fit my fingertips. My finger bigger than that. That's crazy. So cool. I wasn't expecting this to be nails. That's awesome. This is crazy. Hey guys, so I got this package. There's another package. Yeah. And we're gonna open this. I wonder what's in here. I hope it's 2 things in here because I was supposed to get, like I said, I was supposed to get 4 things. Came from Amazon. But I'm gonna get 1 thing in September. And there should be 2 things in here. Okay, let's go open it. Okay guys, now that I got this open, let's see what's inside. Oh my god, it's 2 things! Wait. What the hell? I mean... Okay. I didn't mean to say that, y'all. Okay. Okay, we got the mics, guys. We got the mics. I told my dad I wanted this. We got the mics for YouTube, for my YouTube channel. Woo! Yeah. Mics. You guys, look. This is how it looks. They're so small. Oh my god, they're so small and tiny. These feel fragile though. Hello guys, I'm back with another YouTube video. But no, these feel small and tiny. You know what? I can just... Oh, what the heck is this? Oh, it's a charger. You know what? When I go out, I'll just go put them like this. when I go somewhere, I'm just keep it in like that. Okay, guys. Now let's see what the next thing is. Let's put this back. How the heck did this go back? Okay. Hold on. Let me hook these up right quick. Let me see if these things work. Yeah. Yeah. In that other clip, you know why you guys couldn't hear me? Because my dumb self forgot that I still have my ear pods hooked up to my phone. And I replayed the video over. I was like, why is it not working? I was like, I gotta send them back to Amazon. Gotta send these back. No. My fault. I'm tripping. But yeah, these things work pretty good. I'm surprised. I didn't even hear my sister in the background that much in the other video, but we'll see. Okay, guys, let me hook this up right here. I don't even know how I'm supposed to hook this up. I don't even know how I'm supposed to put that shirt. Maybe I can go like this. No, that wouldn't work. It's not gonna stay on. But right now, we're gonna just leave it like that because I don't know if you guys can hear me. But now, here's like the next thing that I got. Oh, guys, let's see what this is. Let's open it. Ooh la la. This is cool. It's a super standable selfie stick. Oh, this is cool. Now when I'm in the bathroom and I try to record like a TikTok or something, I could just put it on this thing and just start recording without the hassle. Let's see. Oh my god, guys. Let's see how it looks. What it looks like. Ooh la la. That's crazy. Comes with this. I don't even know how this works. Ooh, what is this? Ooh. This kind of feel like plastic. This feels like plastic. Oops. I don't even know how this works. Did it come with like a thing? How the hell? How am I supposed to set this up? Why is this all in like it's like Chinese? I don't know. It's Asian writing. It's English. How are you even supposed to open this like for it to stand? Because I don't understand, man. Okay, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching, y'all. I gotta figure this out on my own. I might have my dad to help me because I don't know how to set this up. But this is really cool, though. Yeah, that's it for this video. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love you guys. Peace out. Bye.